This
relying
is how
heavily on
search
the
engines
mechanisms to
determine
drive the
how good your
spotlight for
content
this.
writer is.
Particularly the entity extraction, the topic clustering, and then it looks at all the abstracts of each entity in that topic cluster and compiles all of that abstract into like one corpus, right? So it's just this one big book. And then it says, okay, look at the page and tell me how much it's written about this book that I created. And so that's what the expertise algorithm is doing. So if you look at this output, and we ran it against every landing page in the SERP, and we found that ordering looks very similar to the overall ranking. Those that have higher expertise factor scores tend to rank higher in the overall results. So we're going to show you a version of what Google likes, and we can compare. So click on theirs. Creator, God, and God is the top, top of cluster, and you can see all the other entities, and you can see how much they've written about each one. So like 46%, 52%, and then each one of these, you can see like the breakdown of this, like how much they've written about each section, right? So this is where we start to talk about content planning and figuring out like what types of content is missing. And so you can come in here and see exactly what is the right thing to do, and this is what we do. Biblical, Hebrew, and God is what we are focused on. So we're pretty close to the topic cluster. It looks like it's probably not too far off. But then when we look at that, we've only written 25%, right? This one we've only written 19% about. So in the overall 25% is basically resulting in us just not covering as much of the content as we would if we were considered more of an expert. So that's the idea behind this specific algorithm, and it's very easy. Again, change HTML. You can just click on the Spotlight author. It will go and take you to the screen where you can change, whatever that you want with the page, and then you should be able to get a new output of the Spotlight, and you'll be able to see exactly, what that new expertise factor score is.